In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get free TradingView Premium. If you're eager to unlock all the advanced features without the added expense, you'll want to pay close attention. Let's walk through this process step by step, ensuring you get the most out of TradingView without paying a cent. First, you'll want to open a live account. Go to the designated broker or platform that offers TradingView Premium as a benefit. When you're there, you'll have the option to choose the type of account that best suits your trading style. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, take a moment to consider the features and benefits of each account type. Once you've selected the one that aligns with your needs, you can move forward to submit your application. This part is straightforward. Just follow the prompts and provide all necessary information accurately to avoid any delays in the application process. After submitting your application, the next step is to opt in for refunds. The process involves filling up your account information, which might include details like your financial profile and trading preferences. It's a crucial step because opting in signifies that you're interested in receiving refunds that are typically part of the promotions offered by these platforms. By doing this, you're setting yourself up to receive TradingView Premium as a refund benefit. With your account set up and opt-in confirmed, it's time to deposit and trade. Depositing funds into your account isn't just a formality, it's a necessary step to activate your trading privileges and make you eligible for refunds. Ensure you meet the minimum deposit requirements specified by the broker. These requirements vary, so it's essential to check the details either on the broker's website or in their communications with you. Once your funds are in place, get ready to trade. Engaging in trades, whether short, long, or a mix, helps you meet the trading activity criteria necessary to qualify for the TradingView Premium refund. While trading, it's advisable to keep track of both your trading volume and any promotional requirements. This way, you'll know exactly when you've hit the eligibility mark for a refund submission. Afterwards, submit a request for your refund if required by the broker. Some brokers might automatically process this for you, but it's smart to be proactive and confirm any necessary steps with your broker's customer service. By following these steps diligently, you'll not only have the chance to enjoy TradingView Premium for free, but you'll also have taken substantial steps towards active trading. Remember, each broker might have slightly different conditions, so always make sure to read the fine print and stay informed on their terms and promotions. Happy trading and enjoy your free access to TradingView Premium.